Hey YouTubes, Jared here with Omnivore Blade Works. Wanted to show you the Horus short sword because I only have one left and somebody's interested in it, so figured I'd do a demo before, or at least a product description video before I sold it, so that if anybody wants another one I can make more and you'll understand what it's all about. So it's got a 14-inch blade, cutting edge blade, up to the it's a 14-inch cutting edge. Overall length is 23, so you got a nice hand and a half, almost two-handed handle. The sheath is very similar to the Kodiak in its function. You got, instead of one nowels clip on both sides, you've got two short ones in the middle, and then you got two that you can reverse, so it's ambidextrous. Then the thumb strap is a pull the dot. And you also have the pin retention here through the skeletonized hilt. So you'll end up getting a little bit of wear on the Cerakote where the pin goes through. It's just kind of inevitable, even though I drill them before I Cerakote them. So you pull the dot and you pull your pin, and then hopefully you have some elastic cord or something to retain your pin. And then the micarta spacer is on the tip. You can see that's all it is. So you pull it out that far, about less than an inch, and then it's out. So you can see that's all it takes to get it out of the sheath. So on this blade I've got a American bastardized Tanto point, and I have a grip area that is just a very it's a swedge, I guess you'd call it. It's just a beveled surface that's just got a crown on it. I sanded that off, rounded or dehorned before I Cerakote, so that it won't just chip off an edge. Like if you have any sharp edge on a blade or on a gun or whatever, the Cerakote will come off on that corner. So all of the edges on these blades that I make are very well dehorned, and they don't so that the Cerakote sticks, and of course also so they're comfortable. Okay, so you got a baton shelf basically on your front area. You've got a 0 ground Tanto point that's probably 40 degrees angle included, so that way you're sharpening it and just goes down to nothing. So it pierces like crazy because there's no secondary bevel. It just goes into stuff. And then my primary cutting edge is a 40 degree included angle with about a 7/8, maybe a 3/4 inch wide bevel, and then also the back edge bevel is the same way, and it goes from the upper ricasso down here. And so we get pretty good symmetry, well, as good as I can do by hand. And then this is bronze, burnt bronze with flat dark earth tiger stripe. And the nature of Cerakote is to get scuffed with time. Then the handle on this one is actually canvas micarta that was about almost 3/8 of an inch thick, which I shaped down. So this one is more for a big-handed person, whereas some of my other blades I make kind of skinny with 1/4 inch material, so that you can wrap it, like on the tomahawks. Wrapping it with golfer's tape or tennis racket tape, to me, if you're going to use the thing a lot, is not a bad idea to reduce the shock into your hand. So this is the Horus short sword, and it's a battle blade or a utility blade, and I've got a new batch of 1095 that I've just ordered, so I can make it out of that. And I also have some 3V that I'm getting ready to cut out. So if you want a Horus in 1095 or 3V, I also have some 5160. I can make a couple out of that. Let me know. This one is probably gonna be sold, not sure yet, but this one's available until it goes out the door. And it's already sharp, so actually do a little sharpness indication. I don't know if I can focus that close. So everything I ship or make pretty much goes out the door shaving sharp. Very dangerous. I actually cut myself with my pocket knife the other day trying to open up a can. But anyway, this could be set up on a drop leg carry rig, or on a hip belt or something, or on your backpack just like the Kodiak, and then you just need to be able to reholster it. Basically, I tried to design the sheaths for security purposes. This is dual retention, and you could potentially cut yourself in here if you stuck your finger down in that channel, because it is a little wider to accommodate kind of a funneling feature. So don't put your finger in there, because there's the edge. Be a good trick for your buddies, actually. Anyway, I'm gonna probably try to do some more of these product demonstration videos this spring while the lighting is good, and so that way you can get all the details on these blades. Alright, until the next time.